guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a plan with me in the Walmart Traveler's Notebook insert. This is the one that has just the dot grid. I already went ahead and kind of outlined the squares that I wanted to use. If you have not seen this video, I will leave it linked down below for you guys to check out. I'm also going to be using these sticker books, which I also got from Walmart. That was also a part of the haul. I wanted to use these stencils in this plan with me along with the stickers, but I don't know where they're at. So I think for now we're just going to stick with the stickers, and then maybe next plan with me I will use the stencils along with these stickers. I haven't looked at these since I bought the well, since I did that haul, so I don't even know what I want to use. The most exciting thing I have upcoming this week is I'm going to this thing called Dinner on Blanc. It's like a all white dinner party thing. So that's happening on Saturday, but that's pretty much all I have planned. So this might be a little bit more decorative than functional, but yeah. I also wanted to use these stamps. I use these in my Fauxbonichi plan with me. I will leave that link down below too if you guys want to check that out. But I think these numbers might be too big. So I would kind of wanted to like put it in the middle. I mean, I guess we could try and see. Well, the thing about it is though, is that I'm going to need like, you know, two numbers because it's going to be the week of, what's today, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. All right. So let's just get started. All right. So I think I'm going to start with these stickers since these are the days of the week. I realized if I do put those stamps, I'm not going to be able to write the days of the week on here. I was thinking of maybe like splitting it up, like putting the number and then like Monday, like on either side. But since I found these, I'm just gonna go ahead and use these this time around, and then maybe I'll do that next week or whenever I do another one of these. I feel like I'm not really good at centering things, so this might be a little bit of the struggle bus. And I decided to put down these stickers before like filling in the lines because I didn't want to write the line in a dark pen and then have the line show through the sticker, if that makes sense. So that's why I decided to put the stickers on first. Alright, I'm not sure if that was recording the entire time. Basically, I just put down the headers. I think I pushed pause instead of record, so I don't know if you guys even saw any of that. But yeah, I went into this book from Walmart. And then I think I want to use some stamps in this spread. I got these at Hobby Lobby a while ago. If I can find the haul, I'll link that somewhere. But I have not used it since I bought them. And I got them on sale for $2.49. And I kind of want to use this weekend banner. Maybe like right there. I don't know if that's going to take up too much space. But we're going to try it out. Because I feel like this is an experimental planner, you know. Well, an experimental planner for me, I should say. Okay. And you guys know how terrible I am at stamping. So just bear with me. And then I'm going to use these stamps from Hobby Lobby. Like, I don't even know how pigmented these are anymore because I've had these forever. I think I want to do a darker color. Do this blue. Or should I do purple? Maybe I'll do purple. Let's say a prayer because this is going to be a disaster. I should test it on a sheet of paper, but I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, that wasn't so bad, I guess. All right, so there is another stamp that I want to use. I kind of want to use this Sunday Fun Day one, and then maybe this Monday one too. Oh, and Friday. Okay, so might use all of these. There's some more stamps that I want to use. Actually, let me pull those out before I start pushing stuff everywhere. All right, these are the other ones that I pulled out. This one I also got on sale for $2.49. So this one I think I got one over the Paper Studio. It's 50% off. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the Sunday Fun Day one, and then I kind of want to use this yellow down here, or maybe like this. Oh, that orange might be way too bright. Okay, I'm gonna try this yellow. I know you're supposed to clean these beforehand, but I don't have a wipe on me, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. That could have been better, but it's all right. I wonder if this is bleeding through. Oh. So, for future reference, these inks bleed through. Well, I've tried these on my Happy Planner. They don't bleed through, but this paper is a little thin. Well, yeah, it's a little thinner than the Happy Planner paper, so take note of that. It's fine. We'll cover all that up with stickers for next week or something. All right, I'm just going to add some more stamps. Oh no. All right, so I messed this up. I should have known, and I knew this was going to happen because of the crease. I should have did it more off to the side. So it looks so busted, but I'll just put a sticker over it. Maybe I'll put it on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna try it on this side and see if it comes out a little better. All right, so this stamp is just it's just a no for me today, apparently. I think I'm just pushing down too hard. Like I said, I'm not a stamping expert, so don't judge me. Okay, I think that is enough with the stampings. I'm on the struggle bus. Got my hands all messy, but it's fine. I did realize as I was stamping that I don't have any numbers down for the days of the week. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I'll think about that later. So now I'm gonna try and look for some stickers to cover up this mess that I made. Alright, you guys, I think that is all that I'm going to do for right now. My lines, as I was tracing it, came out kind of funny. I mean, I don't think you can tell that much. You can tell, like, up close. Just that this ruler is kind of like, it's not straight anymore. So you can kind of tell, but it's fine. Okay, so I did actually want to give away the TN that I bought with this set. It's the same one that I hauled in that Walmart video, so it's this one. I just realized that I'm probably never really gonna use this as often. If anything, I'm just gonna plan in this insert, and I don't know, maybe I'll make my own cover. So I wanted to give this away to you guys. I have not touched it since I bought it. The only thing is that it's not gonna have the paper that goes over it, you know, saying the pen gear, blah blah blah. So I want to give this away to you guys. It has the 2 inserts, the monthly insert, and then I think this is a dot grid insert. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this away, and then I have like a bag of things that I have collected to give away, and I never do the video for whatever reason. So these I've had in that bag forever. I think these came out at Target like maybe last year, actually probably 2 years ago. So that's how long I've had that bag in there. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway. So I figured that these sticker books would go well with those inserts since they are like smaller. So, and I actually have one of the, I had bought double, so I have one of these for myself somewhere. I don't even know what happened to it. So yeah, there's 3 of those. And then this one's probably gonna blind you guys. Alright, so if you guys want to enter this giveaway, just make sure you are subscribed to this channel, like this video, and then just leave me a comment telling me what the best part of your summer was. And I will be choosing a winner at random. I will let this go on for maybe about a week. So the next time that I do a plan with me in this TN, which will hopefully be next week, I will announce the winner. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!